Can a bad mattress cause sciatica? If you're waking up with aching legs or a sharp pain running down your back, you might be wondering if your mattress is the culprit. Let's explore how a bad mattress could be affecting your sciatica. First, it's important to understand that sciatica is often related to issues with your skeletal system, which can be exacerbated by your sleeping conditions. A key factor is the support and cushioning your mattress provides, especially for your lower back, pelvic area, and legs. Sleeping on a mattress that is either too soft or too firm can worsen sciatica. A mattress that is too soft can cause your spine to misalign, leading to excessive pressure on the sciatic nerve. This misalignment can happen because the heavier parts of your body sink too deeply into the mattress, disrupting the natural curvature of your spine. On the other hand, a mattress that is too firm can also be problematic. It may not contour to your body's shape, resulting in uneven pressure distribution that can exacerbate pressure points and make your sciatica worse. This lack of conformity means your body doesn't get the support it needs, particularly in the lumbar region. Another critical aspect is the age and condition of your mattress. An old or deteriorated mattress can lose its structural integrity, leading to sagging and poor spinal alignment. Over time, the materials in your mattress break down, and it may start to sag, which can strain your lower back and pelvic area. Additionally, old mattresses can accumulate allergens, which can lead to inflammation and further aggravate sciatica. Sleeping position also plays a significant role. Sleeping on your side without proper knee support or using an incompatible mattress can add stress to the sciatic nerve. Sleeping on your stomach is particularly bad because it can strain your lower back and cause uneven pressure on the pelvic area where the sciatic nerve passes. To find the right mattress, it's suggested to opt for a medium firm option, as it often strikes the right balance between support and comfort. You can also test different mattresses by placing your current mattress on the floor or using a plywood board to see if a firmer surface helps. Visiting a mattress showroom and testing various models can also be helpful, though it's important to remember that what feels comfortable in the store might not translate to a good night's sleep. In summary, a bad mattress can indeed cause or worsen sciatica due to factors like poor support, misalignment, and uneven pressure distribution. Choosing the right mattress with the right firmness and ensuring it is in good condition can make a significant difference in managing your sciatica.